Hey, I'm Andy Fling, the founder of makingmusicfun.net and the primary teacher of our Music Academy. In this mini tour, I'll introduce you to 3 unique advantages of our online piano lessons for kids. Many online lessons focus on teaching songs. The Making Music Fun Music Academy's proven method gives kids what they need to become skilled musicians. We start from the very beginning with essential skills and build from there, making sure everything gets covered and reviewed in later lessons so it's really learned. To build an online music academy that's as effective as traditional piano lessons, we felt creating a series of piano books was essential. Our piano books guarantee that everything your child needs to learn gets covered, and that they make learning easy and fun because the book moves at the perfect pace. With the Making Music Fun Music Academy, you'll get unlimited access to the lessons, digital print piano books, worksheets, and games for a fraction of the cost of traditional lessons. It's only $15 a month for the whole family. If you decide to sign up for our premium annual plan, you'll get an added bonus of a free entry into Music Stars, our online music competition. Parents and kids love this low-stress opportunity to perform, get helpful feedback, and win awards. Thanks for joining me for this mini tour. If you're ready to give the Making Music Fun Music Academy a try, you can do it risk-free with free lessons at every level.